Hi guys, this is Nidhi and welcome back to my channel. Well, in this video, I will be talking about a product which is this. It's called Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. I have already done a review about Maybelline concealers, Fit Me Concealer and Age Rewind Concealer, and that was liked by so many of you. So thank you so much for liking that video. And so yes, I thought I should talk about the foundation also because this is something that I really use. So let's talk about this product. And also guys, before we start, let me remind you, please subscribe to my channel if you've not done it yet. And also, in case if you want to know more about me, then you can join me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is mentioned here. It's called Get Gorgeous with Nidhi. Alright, now let's start with this video. Alright, I don't have any makeup on my face except this little lipstick. I was like, I should apply a little lipstick so that my face looks not very dull and sick. So I'm going to apply the foundation here, right here in this video. So first, let's see the bottle and let's talk about the product, okay? So this is how the bottle looks. So this is the glass bottle that I have, but this foundation also now comes in a tube form. So you know, they keep changing their packaging, but when I purchased, this is what I got. And I was very lucky to get a bottle with a pump, but yes, lot of people have got a bottle without the pump. So the product name is Maybelline Fit Me Matte+Poreless Foundation. The quantity that you get is 30 ml and it will cost you 549 rupees. Well, you'll always get some or the other discount on Nykaa or on Amazon from wherever you purchase. So but the MRP is 549. The shade that I got for myself is this 220. It's called Natural Beige. They have, you know, if you're confused about your shade, you can go to Maybelline website or just check the swatches online. Go on Google. They have a shade card. It's so easy to choose your shade from there. So as I said, beautiful glass bottle and a pump. So I am very happy with the packaging. I don't like bottles that don't come with a pump. It gets very difficult to take out the foundation, you know, from there. Now talking about the product, it says that it's for normal to oily skin. Well, I have a dry skin, but I still use this foundation, and it is Matte+Poreless, which means it will give you a matte finish. So it is not a dewy foundation. It will give you a matte finish. I mean, which is good, you know, especially during summers now. A matte finish foundation is excellent. Let's see what else this product claims. It says it mattifies and refines pores, matches natural tone, natural seamless finish. Okay, so this product says that it gives you a very natural seamless finish. So this product will give you light to medium coverage, basically a very natural finish. Let's go on the application part, and while I'm applying, I will tell you the texture of this product. And I'm taking little quantity here on my hands and just applying some drops here on my face, using a wet beauty blender to blend this foundation. Okay, it's very easily blendable, and also it's not a very thick foundation. It's a very runny foundation, in fact. Actually, let me come a little closer and show you guys the finish of this foundation. So I can still see some of my spots here. So as I mentioned earlier, this foundation will just give you a very light to medium coverage. So I think this is good for everyday use when you don't want too much makeup, you know, going on your face, especially when you're just going for work, or, you know, daytime if you're attending some event or something and you want your skin to just look little better and yet look very natural. Then I think you can completely go for this foundation. But yes, don't expect a very heavy coverage with this one. You will have to use a concealer in case if you want to hide all these spots and dark circles and stuff. So it is not a very thick foundation. It is a very light foundation. I'm not feeling heavy at all. Actually, I don't feel that I'm wearing anything on my face. It doesn't feel heavy, it doesn't feel sticky or very dry. Though it's a matte foundation, my face is not feeling very dry. I am loving the texture and it is very easily blendable. So yes, overall I think this foundation is absolutely great. I think one should always have a foundation which is very lightweight, because you're not every time our skin or our face can take that heavy makeup. So it's always better to keep a product like this in your kit. I absolutely love it. I was using this foundation earlier also, and this is the second bottle that I have bought now. So I only have good things to say about this product. I absolutely love it. Thumbs up for this product. Go and buy it in case if you don't have it in your kit till now. And also, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, guys. Thank you so much. Keep supporting, keep showing your love. Thank you so much for watching this.